Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to send money with Zelle using US Bank. First thing I want you to do is launch up the app, come here, click on Send Zelle, and then I want you to come here and click on Send Money. Then I want you to go ahead and choose your recipient. If you want, you can come here and add a recipient as well or scan them. I'll go ahead and choose this one right here, our contact, and then this their numbers. You can see they are enrolled with Zelle. You can click on that and then just enter the amount. Right here, you can add a memo as well. And then here you choose from where you are paying and when you want to send. Then you just scroll down here, click on review before you actually send this payment over. Make sure everything is correct. Scroll down here, click on send, and then you just come here, toggle this one on, and then you scroll down, click on continue. As you can see, payment has been sent. This is the confirmation. That is how to send money with Zelle using US Bank. Found this helpful, make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to Answer Unlocked. Really helps me out as well.